What's going on, guys? Dylan Fazio here, and I want to welcome you to this fast start training where I'm going to show you in the next 10 minutes or less how to actually go out there, link this instant commission system to your email list so that you can start generating leads. Now, I sent out some clicks to this page, and this page is converting around 60 to 70% depending on the traffic that you send it. So in my mind, there's no reason for me to go out there and create a landing page of my own, because I can actually link this to my Aweber account so that I can actually start generating leads. Okay, so all you have to do to link it to your Aweber account is you want to make sure you have an Aweber account already. If you don't have an Aweber account, what you want to do is in the description below, there'll be a link to the Aweber platform where you can set up a free account. It's like $9 per month or something like that until you hit 1,000 subscribers, but that is more than enough to get you started. So you want to make sure that you have an Aweber account before we even get started. Now, if you haven't already, the Fearless Mama is the system that we're going to be using to earn these instant commissions, okay? So what you want to do is below this video, there'll be a link to join the Fearless Mama, okay? Or you can go to the easypassiveprofitmachine.com. That's going to be the link that is in the description below so that you can actually start generating those $250 commissions. And the best part is, you know, you can use this system to earn those $250 commissions even while you sleep, and you could honestly get paid within the next 72 hours, okay? So I want to give you guys as much information in this video so that you can actually go out there and actually make your first $250 commission in the next 72 hours, even if you've never made any money online before. Okay, so click the button below this video, pause this video, go ahead, set up your Aweber account, and make sure you have your Fearless Mama account set up as well, okay? You will need to pay the entry fee, which, like I said, is $250. That's going to give you access to earn unlimited $250 commissions even while you sleep, okay? So to get started, what we want to do, once you have set up your Fearless Mama account, you'll get access to your back office. Now, before you do anything, what you want to do is you want to make sure that you go to My Account and you click on Collect 100% Commissions. Now what's going to happen is you're going to want to do two things, okay? You're going to want to go through and you're going to want to click on I want to use Stripe, and you're also going to want to set up your PayPal. So you can just click this button. It'll open up in a new tab and you just plug in your PayPal email. And then for the Stripe account, what you want to do is you want to click this button and you want to click here to select and edit the credit card. Now, I'm not going to open this up because my information will be populated. But what's going to happen is you're going to have to grab 4 codes. It's very simple. There's a training video. It will take you less than 5 minutes to get set up. But you're going to have to plug in some code so that when people go through this Fearless Mama system and they actually purchase, you're going to earn those instant commissions. Now, if they purchase using a credit card, you're going to get that instant commission into your Stripe account. If they pay via PayPal, you're going to get that instant commission into your PayPal account. Okay, so very, very simple process, very easy to set up. Now, once you have set your payment processors up, you're going to have this link right here, okay? So if I copy this link, right, and we just paste it, we're going to paste that link in here, that's going to drop you to the landing page. Now, if you guys want to change out the landing page, what you want to do is you want to go under My Account again, and you want to go Activate Email Preference, okay? So now this is where you're actually going to set up your Aweber, and this is going to allow you to change your landing pages. Now, as you guys see here, step number 1, if you guys don't want to set up the email, your own email list, you can just use the built-in email system. But I highly, highly, highly recommend that you guys are building your own email list so that you can go ahead and promote different offers down the road, okay? So in order to link this, all you have to do is go to your Aweber account. You want to make sure that you create a list, okay? Now under the list options, what you want to do is you go under list settings. Now I recommend naming the list very similar to what I got here. If you want to pause the video and copy this, you can go ahead. But what you want to do is you want to grab this Aweber list code, okay? So you're going to start from the A all the way to the last number, and you're going to copy that. You're going to go back over to your Aweber, or to your Fearless Mama back office, okay? And you're going to plug in that Aweber code. Now when people go, right, when people go through here, they click this button, they enter in their email, right, they're going to get added to your Aweber list, okay? So you want to make sure that you have a couple emails set up. Now, what I'm going to do is if you guys decide to join on my team, what I'm going to do is I actually have some email follow-up set up, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to load 14 or more emails into this campaign, and all you have to do to get access to it is just head over to Facebook or go through the link in the description below, head over to the Six Figure Marketers Club, and make sure you join that group, okay? What I want you to do is I want you to watch this video. This is going to be a simple method on how to actually get some free traffic from Facebook, right? Because we want to get eyeballs on this page, okay? So that's going to show you how to do that. And then if you want my email campaign, just go to one of the posts that I've, posted in here. Click this and shoot me a message, okay? Just shoot me a message, say, hey Dylan, I joined you in the Fearless Mama program. Can you send me the Aweber list code? Now all I'll do is, let me just load this up here. Now what I'll do is there'll be a list code right here. I gotta load all the emails in. But what's going to happen is I'm actually going to give you all of these emails. So as you guys see here, I'm filming one of the actual videos right now, and I'm going to be giving you guys some emails that is just going to automate the process even more, okay? So I'll be giving you guys those emails, and there'll be lots more training coming too as well. But what you want to do is you want to make sure that you're building your email list. So link it up to your Aweber. If you guys want to write your own emails, that's even better, because I definitely recommend, building your own brand, getting in touch with your email list, getting them to know, like, and trust you, so that when you send out your daily broadcasts, they know, okay, I'm talking to the same person, or I'm hearing from the same person, right? And they're more likely to buy from you. Yes, having emails written for you is amazing, but learning how to write those emails is very, very key as well, okay? So once you've linked up your Aweber, now you get to choose from the landing pages. Now there's 2 landing pages right now. From my tests, this landing page does convert a little bit less than this one. This one was converting around 40 to 55% for me, and this landing page, the completely blank white one, which is the one I use, this one is converting around 60 to 70% depending on the traffic that you're sending to it, okay? So I highly recommend just going down here and then just click on turn on for the second landing page. When this one comes out as well, I'll be doing some testing on it, and I'll let you guys know which one is converting the best out of the 3 of them. But once you've done that, you want to make sure you save the changes, right? You want to save the changes twice, right? And then just go back here, click it again, and then just make sure the settings have saved, okay? Once you have done that, you're ready to start earning, okay? It's that simple. Now all you have to do, if you guys want to grab your affiliate link, remember to scroll down under collect 100% commissions, and you want to grab this link, right? Now the goal is to get as many eyeballs in front of that link as possible. If you guys want to get free traffic, like I said, go to the Six Figure Marketers Club and watch this video, okay? It's 15 minutes long, and it's going to teach you how I was able to get my first sale within 24 hours, and it's going to teach you how to actually get endless free leads from Facebook, okay? You can go out there, you can implement this method every single day. It takes less than 30 minutes to implement every single day, and you can start generating anywhere from 10 to 50 leads or more, depending on how how good you are at connecting with your Facebook profile and your friends and things like that. But the more you focus on this, the more you grow this, the more money you can make. And with these instant $250 commissions, you do not need very many sales to hit a decent income, right? You only need one sale a day to hit $7,500 per month, okay? So focus on getting one sale every single day, and within the next 30 to 90 days, you should have a solid income, a solid momentum going where you could actually, you know, think about quitting your job, all right? So thank you for watching. This is the quick start training of the Fearless Mama. I look forward to having you guys on the team, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Enjoy.